Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Altima air filter. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a new air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a clean rag. Make sure your Altima is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, open the hood and locate the air filter housing, which is typically a black plastic box near the engine. This simple preparation makes the entire process smooth and efficient. Now, let's access the old filter. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 or 5 screws securing the air filter housing cover. Once all screws are loose, gently lift the cover. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Take a moment to observe its orientation. This will help when installing the new one. Carefully lift the old filter straight out of its compartment. Before installing the new filter, it's a good idea to clean the housing. Use your clean rag to wipe away any accumulated dust, leaves, or debris from inside the air filter box. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Now, carefully place the new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and evenly. Double-check that its orientation matches the old filter for proper airflow. With the new filter in place, it's time to secure everything. Carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into position, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the base. Then, reinsert and tighten the 4 or 5 Phillips head screws until they are snug, but do not over-tighten. You've successfully changed your air filter. This simple maintenance task can improve your engine's performance and even boost your fuel efficiency by up to 10%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.